from different countries, Socrates, Socrates, Chanakya, all they were the great learned type of the people. It is not, that was not the situation that they were not having any kind of the job, or they were not engaged in any kind of the profession. They were the top talented person from their period, from their time scale. They joined politics. All top successful person. You take example Nelson Mandela, very strong personality as well as the very successful, very much learner. You can say Abraham Lincoln, that is another example. In India, you take Subhash Chandra Bose. Of course, he was the first ICS topper, ICS candidate topper from India. But for nation, he thought that something should be done. He joined the active type of the politics as per the situation. Especially people from the field of education, teachers, school, colleges. There was the time when politics was mandatory for every student in Gurukul or even in house also. Every home was a small Gurukul. First step of the Gurukul, that was the every home. And when this was the situation, then politics was a mandatory subject for every student. At that time, India was on the peak, not only in terms of civilization, but economic as well as the social value, ethics.
तो चाहूंगी भारती सर को स्टेज पे आमंत्रित करें ताकि सर प्रोग्राम के बारे में कुछ बताएं।
Mr. A.K. Mishra is that personality who leads with vision and serves with heart. And as an educator, I totally understand that great educators do not just teach, they inspire tomorrow's innovation. Regarding the same, I would like to invite Mr. A.K. Mishra on the stage to give us a brief description about today's entire event. The world moves forward because of people like Mr. A.K. Mishra who roll up sleeves and get things done. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Bharti ma'am, for inviting me on the stage. However, it is very much early. I was not prepared for early morning session. But of course, if you have put in certain kind of the responsibility, all of us, I would like to welcome all the guests, even coming, they have visited across India. Some people, they are coming from the Varanasi. For example, I would like to tell you two participants, two contestants, especially in sports. Deepika Tiwari, she is from Varanasi, UP, as well as the Khushi Singh. They are the international players. And I was shocked when it came into my knowledge that some such kind of the talent, it is living in a small area of the villages. But nobody is going to focus because of maybe media, camera, reporting, all these things. It is not available for them. So I welcome all the people as well as one very important guest, very important guest in audience, that is the Shiva ma'am. She has traveled 3,000 kilometers from Kerala. She is sitting here with his family with 2-3. It is really, I can't describe that. On TV debate we are discussing, we are listening about the unity of India. This is the live example that a person from Delhi 3,000 kilometers away and he or she is thinking that this is my program and if she is coming here. So please give a big hand to Shiva ma'am. And one very important thing, Shiva ma'am by profession, environment conservation as well as one of the very important things she is doing. It is conservation of the medicinal herbs. Now coming on the point. In schools, in college, in university, all kind of the syllabus it is available. All these syllabus, all these studies can be learned from anywhere. But one thing which is important, not only for any country, not for the citizens of all those countries, but the most important thing that the civilizations, how civilizations are going to build and why they are going to be destroyed. Of course, we know the civilization of Babylonia and so many other Rome and all these things we have studied. At certain level, they were on the top, but after certain time, they got destroyed. If you analyze, you will find that is only the politics. It is only the politics is politics is very strong in positive manner for your country, for your nation, for your ethics, you will turn into as a great civilization. Even we can learn from the history of India. Only one factor. Whenever we got defeated, our country was in trouble. Only the reason that is the weak strategic politics. And what is the dilemma for today? If anybody is asking that, are you interested in politics? Most of the intellectuals tell, no, politics is bad thing. I am not interested. Please don't talk. I don't know why the intellectuals, students, they are not talking, they are not discussing in healthy way for the politics. It's strategy. If that will be the situation, the country will become, may face different kind of the turmoil. The examples, likewise the Bangladesh, likewise the Pakistan, all those countries, those who are facing the problem, the reason behind that, because of no political career guideline is there, no awareness about nationalist type of the politics. That's why I was thinking that at least some such kind of the course or syllabus should be there. We should prepare our youngsters. What are the micro level strategic management of politics? Not only for their career, direct or indirect, but also for the growth of nation. To make our country more strong, it is more and more important that intellectuals should think, should join the politics. You may not be convinced at this moment, but later on in my presentation, definitely I will prove it. One of the best example, we all are intellectual, we are earning good, we are doing our job, we are running our business. But only the reason, one example, Elon Musk, I think at that time he is one of the